Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie from Cochise Parents as Teachers, and this is my dog, Bilbo. Today we are going to teach you how to make chocolate chip cookies, and we also get to read an awesome book together. Alright guys, before we get started with our baking, let's make sure we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds, or you could sing the ABC song to make sure that your hands are really clean. Before we get to our ingredients, let's set our oven to 350 degrees. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of any golden syrup. I used honey for mine, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of any brown sugar, 1/2 cup of almost melted butter, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cups of chocolate chip cookies of your choice. I chose a combination of semi-sweet, milk chocolate, and mini chocolate chips. Now to the fun part. Our mouse friend is going to help us combine the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar together in this bowl that we have. Next, we are going to add the vanilla, the honey, and the egg. Our friend the mouse is going to help us mix again. That looks good. Now we're gonna add our flour, baking soda, and our salt. Now for the star of the show, the chocolate chip cookies. Now on a lined baking sheet, we are going to form the dough into balls, and then we are ready to bake. Now let's bake this in our oven for about 10 to 11 minutes. While we wait for our cookies to bake, our friend Mouse picked his favorite book to read. We will be reading If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Numeroff. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So, he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And just don't forget what happens when you give a mouse a cookie.